Alright, this is a video of my CX500 starting up after I cleaned the carbs, and I bench synced them, but I haven't synced them otherwise. And I've started it up and I set the idle adjustment screw to about 1,000, so it's warm right now. So let's start it up and see what happens. So previously I could not get it to idle without the choke on, and when it got warm it would spew a ton of white smoke. So both those problems seem to be gone now. Yeah, so far so good. I'm going to take it for a ride.